Alright, so I've been sitting here on this side. I've been heating up and scraping off this bondo. You can see how thick it is there, but actually there was other areas that were even way thicker. Um, you can see all the big thick chunks down here. How thick that is. It looks like 3 different types. I see there's some kind of patch here. That looks like it was brazed in. I mean, it's not even straight. It's all dented and everything. And here it looks like there's a dent starting to come in here. So I'm going to try and get all this bondo out and see how bad that is. And I can see there's still a patch here. And I'm not sure how far that goes, but this may be requiring a new quarter panel on it. I did this part first. I ground this down and sanded it, and you can see that's the only patch on here. And I just put some self-etching primer and what spray paint I had that I could find just to get something on it so it didn't rust. But that looks like that would just have to be repatched right there. I haven't taken any of this off here yet, but over here, this is just a terrible patch job. This is all, obviously, this would all have to get cut out, this whole area here. And depending on how far this goes, and this dent, if it's just this dent, it'd be no big deal, pull that out. But you can see I still got to go all this way up to the door to find out where we're at. So I'm just going to keep plugging away here with the heat and the scraper and get as much as bondo off of the side as I can. Alright, I got this whole lower bottom cleaned off for the most part, just scraped off. I hit it with the wire wheel and the sander. And I guess the good thing is the bondo up at this edge here tapered right down to, nothing, right to the metal there. And I don't know if you can see on the camera here, but there is a dent here. Not a bad one. But this has been patched all down here, and it looks like this may have had a decent dent. So I don't know if this car was hit. I mean, it's dented in here. I don't know if this was a rust repair or dent repair. It's starting to look more like a, accident damage repair. But it's weird that it's, the patches, little patches were just like brazed in there. And I have no idea how long ago that would have been either. But, oh, damn bee. But, then it was put over with a thick layer of bondo. Let's see if I could show you where it's got 2 layers on here. You can see there's like a thick layer of bondo, and then there's another thick layer of bondo that was put over top of it more recently. But yeah, this one looking like this whole lower quarter is gonna get replaced, or I haven't gotten up into here yet. I can see there's some bondo here, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. This up here doesn't really have any bondo, and it seems like for the most part from this line up, or actually this line up until you get right here, is good. So I'm thinking this is probably just a lower quarter here, right around to, there. That was the bondo kind of tapered off back there too. So, but yeah, it's amazing how thick it was here. In some spots like here, it was about 3/4 of an inch thick, and same in a couple spots here. I mean, it was just such a thick layer of bondo there. But I'm gonna get this ground off and we'll take a look at it. Alright, so I've got everything, all that bondo off of this section here, and I think you get a better, clearer picture of what's going on. Like I said, I'm still not sure if this is a rust repair or something else, but I'm going to assume rust repair. And the reason this is so bent and dented here is probably because when they were brazing this, I'm sure that they overheated and warped all this metal, because it's warped and dented everywhere around it. But you get up in here, like I said, there's a little dent in the door right here, right in this spot here, but the rest of this is it's just warped. I don't know, it's hard to see on here. Maybe I'll get some primer and paint on there and then show it again. But yeah, I think this is definitely a lower quarter, and not sure how far this patch on this rocker goes. I won't know until I get into that. I'm not doing that today. I think I wanted to just come here and do a little investigating and poke around under this bondo to see what's under there. So let me get this sanded down and get some primer and paint on there. Alright, so this is how it's going to sit for now. I said most likely lower quarter. over in a rocker here. Not sure how far up. I did right here. It looked like there was a giant thing of bondo there, and it was just, I must have been excess. I scraped it off, and everything looks fine under there. The whole top part of this is good. I do got to get into here and see what's going on with this, but I'm going to do this at a later point. It's getting close to, where it's going to start getting cold out and everything, and I think this car is just going to sit here wrapped up all winter, and in the springtime I'll be able to get into it in a little bit more depth. But like I said, it just bugged me, how it had all that bondo on there, and why was it on there, but now I know. And now it's got me wondering about the other side too. Am I going to have to replace the quarter over there as well? So yeah, it remains to be seen, but we'll get into it and see what it is. If it does turn out to be nice and I do get some more off of here, then I'm definitely going to come out and get some video of that too. But yeah, this could be titled how not to do body work, I guess. But anyways, till the next update, we'll see you guys.